Forget everything you thought you knew about investing. The market has chewed you up and spat you out more times than you can count, right? That gut-wrenching fear every time the numbers drop, the frustration of chasing returns that just don't last. Classic hedge fund strategies used to be your fortress. You trusted them like a religion, but deep down, you feel it. That nagging question, what if there's a smarter way? What if this endless cycle of risk and reward, stress and uncertainty, doesn't have to rule your life? Here's the brutal truth. Sticking to yesterday's playbook in today's world is a recipe for falling behind. ESG investing, environmental, social, and governance, sounds like just another buzzword shoved down your throat by well-meaning idealists, or worse, marketing ploys. But what if it's actually the game changer you've been ignoring? Listen carefully. ESG isn't about losing edge. It's about sharpening it, cutting through the noise and betting on companies and strategies that don't just outlast crises, but dominate them. The market punishes complacency brutally. Firms ignoring ESG factors are often the ones blindsided by scandals, regulations, and shifting consumer demands. That's your money evaporating, your portfolio bleeding. Stop. Right now, burn the outdated script. The old-school hedge funds focused purely on alpha generation are becoming relics. The real alpha today comes from recognizing that value and virtue are inseparable. ESG data offers you hidden signals, clues about risks no traditional metric catches. It's like having a secret weapon, letting you anticipate shakeups before your competitors even smell them. But here's the catch. You can't just slap on an ESG label and call it a strategy. That's weak, naive, and will get you crushed. You must know exactly where to dig. Look beyond the surface. Track governance integrity like a hawk. Companies with shoddy boards or opaque practices will implode sooner or later. Hunt for environmental leaders who innovate instead of just comply. Social factors? That's your inside track to companies with loyal customers, sustainable growth, and a fortress of brand trust. Cut the noise. Define your own parameters. Customize your ESG framework to your unique edge, your brain, your instincts, your network. Integrate these insights into rapid decision cycles. Speed kills in markets, and those who hesitate lose everything. Build a machine that sifts data relentlessly but acts fast, combining deep human judgment with algorithmic precision. Anger, frustration, exhaustion, fuel your transformation. This is war. Against the stale, the status quo, the broken systems that reward mediocrity and punish true vision. You were never meant to settle for average returns or passive acceptance. You are a founder, an investor, a leader, a force meant to reshape the future, not be shaped by it. Push past the noise, the cynicism, the tired excuse that ESG is just a fad. It's not. It's a revolution hiding in plain sight. Lock in ESG intelligence into your hedge fund DNA and watch the world unfold differently. Greater resilience when crises come. Higher returns because you're riding the wave of innovation and ethical leadership. The unexpected winners will be those who see corporate responsibility not as charity, but as a high-performance lever. Do this step by step. First, tear down your old risk models. Infuse them with ESG stress testing that models future shocks tied to climate, regulation, societal shifts. Second, resort to real-time ESG data feeds no one else is using. Third, build alliances with insiders and thought leaders driving global standards. You need their insights, their foresight. Refuse to play by the old rules. Your fight isn't with the market, but with a broken system that tries to cage brilliance in compliance manuals. Use ESG investing as your tool for liberation. Create a new model where capital fuels not just profits, but transformation. A model so sharp, so agile, it slices through uncertainty. A model that frees you from the endless cycle of outdated thinking. Now is the moment to act. The world isn't waiting. Every second you delay, you bleed opportunity. Invest with eyes wide open. Demand more from your strategies. Build the hedge fund that doesn't just survive, but masters the future by investing in the future itself. Do not play it safe. Play it right. Play it ruthless. Because this isn't just about money. It's about forging power, purpose, and absolute freedom in a world desperate to be remade. Grab the edge. Make ESG your weapon. and never look back.